Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, guys, let's take a look at what we will be expecting on gold right now. Gold is now on the bullish move. Currently, we are trading at 2026. So, our next target on gold will be a level of 2040. We are very much likely to break above that level. I want you to know we are very much likely to break above that level. But for now, our target is about 2040. That is what we are targeting on gold right now. But before that, gold is likely to give us a pullback. If it can give us that pullback and that pullback is over, once the pullback has been made and it is over, expect another bullish move to the upside. Do not jump in and buy gold right now. Do not, because take a look at it. The move have already been made. This is a massive movement to the upside. Be very, very careful. Those of you that might want to jump in as a result of fear of missing out, you've already missed out already. So do not jump in as a fear of missing out because you've already missed out. Gold would want to give us a pullback. It could be a small pullback before it pushes up, or it could be a huge one before it pushes up. So once ever you get the pullback, then all you just have to do is look for the buy setup and go on gold. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.